This is the single punch tablet press machine, TDP-5. Okay, let's start how to use this machine. You can turn like this way. Can try this machine. Also can use this, can press very big pressure. Do like this way. Okay, have a look over there. This is funnel, big funnel to put in powder here, and the powder here. Feeding the powder, the upper punch go into the middle die and press. So the lower punch can put the tablet up, and then the feeding foot pull the tablet out and feeding again, fill the powder again. Sometimes you want to bigger pressure, bigger, so adjust this part to have the more pressure. First, unlock this screw. Unlock this screw. Do like this. After that, you adjust this part here. Have a look. You turn like this way. The pressure will be more, bigger pressure, meaning the harder tablet. After this, lock this screw. Of course, if you want less pressure, do like this way, adjust here. But adjust little by little, because if you turn more, maybe much bigger pressure, so can't press, meaning the jump. The machine will be jump. After that, lock this screw. When you get the correct tablet, lock the screw like this. Of course, use the two. Okay, make sure you lock tight. Sometimes you want the more thickness of tablet, meaning feeding powder more, so the thickness will be more. Okay, let's do that. Unlock this screw, this diameter, this part. Have a look. There are two wheels. This wheel don't move because this wheel controls the lower punch, the position of the lower punch. When going the top must the same level of the middle die. Be controlled by this wheel, so don't move. Make sure the lower punch go to the top position, the same level of the middle die. Okay, have a look. Yeah, if you want to feed in more, do like this. Unlock this screw. Adjust this wheel. This wheel controls the feeding depth. If you feeding more, do like this. Turn and turn, meaning feeding more powder. If you want to feed in less powder, meaning the less thickness tablet, do like this way. After you get the correct tablet, lock this screw. Okay, don't touch this part and this part, because in our workshop, our worker fixed the position here. So don't move here. Just adjust here and here. Okay. If any other questions, contact us. Feel free.